Hi there, Audio Movers. I'm Zohar, and I am 10 years old. We've got another episode of Audiomoves for you. It's the podcast that gets you twirling, whirling, shifting, shimmying, jumping, sitting, rolling, bouncing. You get the idea. You'll be moving around. In this episode, Charlie gets sucked into a Hoover Ballet. Want to know what that's like? Well, you're about to find out.
And plie and stretch. Plie. Oh, hello. I'm glad you're here. I was just in the middle of my own ballet practice. You know, I love to dance. I always dance, all the time, anywhere. And today, I thought I'd teach my cat Noodle a few ballet moves. We were just warming up with our pliés. Plié means to bend. Usually it's with your legs, but you can bend however you like. Do you want to join us? Great. Ready? I've got my heels together, legs turned out, standing tall, and bend, and straighten up. Nice. And again. Bend, and straighten, and bend, and straighten. No, Noodle, we have to start with plie so we don't hurt ourselves. We can't just jump straight to pas de chat. That's her favourite move. I don't blame her, it means the step of a cat after all. Just a few more pliés. Bend and stretch, and bend and stretch, and lifting the arms high above the head. Noodle only has legs, so she's just moving her head around, her whiskers floating gracefully in the air. And lean the body forwards over the legs with the back straight, and coming up and rest. How did you find that? Ooh, now onto a new exercise. Let's stand in first position. This means heels together, legs turned out. All four for you, Noodle. Standing tall and sliding the foot to the side and... Oh, sorry, Noodle. We accidentally bumped into each other. Noodle, don't be scared. The TV. Be careful, Noodle, come back. Oh, Noodle, you just turned the Hoover on. Oh, my cheek! Sucked by the Hoover! Oh, the nozzle is stuck to my cheek, and it's pulling me to the right! Oh, now it's on my belly. It's pulling me forward. Now it's on my bum, and it's pulling me backwards. I need to reach the power switch. Whew. That was wild. It was a little scary to be pulled left and right and all over the room like that. But also, it was fun. What do you think, Noodle? Maybe I'll try that again. But don't worry, Noodle, with an imaginary Hoover this time. Do you want to try it too? You don't need to be hoovered the same way as me. You can be sitting, or standing, or lying down if you want to. Ready? Hover your hand over your imaginary Hoover nozzle. Can you feel the suction? I can. What happens if I bring the nozzle to my foot? Oh, now I can pull my leg up and down and to the right and to the left like a pendulum. Oh, it feels like a ballet exercise. Which body part are you hoovering? Let's pull it off the foot. I'll try my knee this time. Whoa. Whoa. It's making me spin round and round like a hoovery pirouette. Whoa, 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 whoa. Pirouette means spinning on one foot in ballet. I'm getting dizzy. Whoa. What about you? What if I move the nozzle up to my shoulder? It pulls me all the way to the side and switch to the other side. Other side. And now on top of the head. I'm being pulled up. And my fingers. Oh, my Hoover pulls me all the way down to the floor. tumbling, and rolling, flapping, and flinging me all about. I'm being spun around in quick arcs and sharp twists. How are you being hoovered? From your nose? Or from your ear? Or from your big toe? Or your bum? Or back of your head? Or your teeth? Or your tongue? It's all right, Noodle. You can join me. Woo! I think we found a new type of dance. This sounds like a waltz. That's a dance in the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Wow. Are you enjoying your Hoover waltz? Or maybe you're not waltzing. Maybe you're doing a Hoover samba dance, like we're in Brazil. What? Noodle's shaking her tail and swinging her hips. Or maybe it's a hip-hop Hoover dance. Whoa! Now Noodle's popping and locking her paws. Or maybe your Hoover is a rock Hoover. Come on, Noodle. Let's jump around. Jump up, and get down. Woo-hoo-hoo! Careful. Watch where you're Hoover dancing. Woo! Woo! That was super fun. How did you find it? I'm exhausted. I feel like all my energy's been sucked away. I think I'm going to try some ballet stretches to ease out all that Hoover commotion. You can join me if you like. I'm going to stand with my back straight and my arms by my sides. Then I bring my arms up above my head slowly and stretch as high as I can. And then I lean my body forwards, folding over my legs. Gently hugging them as I let all my breath escape. And I take some deep breaths in and out. In and out. And then I roll my back up to stand up straight again. Arms heavy by my sides, and I give them a soft jiggle to shake out all that hoovering. Thanks for being here with me and Noodle today. Noodle? Oh, don't mind her, she's still Hoover dancing by herself. She's really excited. I am too. I can't believe we discovered so many new ways to dance. What was your favourite Hoover dance? Maybe you don't like Hoovers at all. That's okay too. Either way, I'm glad you're here with me. Chat again soon. Bye!
Hello, me again. I loved doing the Hoover Ballet. Which bit was your favourite? By the way, don't forget to subscribe to this podcast so you're the first person to know the moment our next episode is released. To find out more about our school workshops and to hear what we get up to behind the scenes, sign up to our main list on Peut-Être Theatre.co.uk. And remember, keep hoovering, moving!